Driving track mode, the most aggressive mode for the car, and holy shit.
You're gonna do a burnout, aren't you?
Yes. Shit. Sorry, I keep saying shit, but this thing is like...
it's fun, right?
Holy moly. Well, see, it makes a difference. Right now, I just put it back in auto.
Okay.
You see here the gears?
Do is run the wire down here so that it's... Actually, I think I did it like this last time anyway.
RT Life in action.
Yeah, my shitty install videos. I probably have the worst install videos online. It's because it's mostly filled with cursing. Alright, so we got it through there. Now I just have to plug this sucker back in and we are good to go. Just have to start it up. It's not a hard install. It's just awkward.
A wire, right? So it's not a problem. I'm more concerned showing the results, like how it feels after installation.
Okay.
The wires, and everybody can figure out how to pull the wire in, you know?
Yeah, no, it's really a super easy install. The only issue is just the area that you have to kind of squeeze into. Now, I'm not going to tighten any bolts or anything like that.
Okay.
What we need to do is start the car.
All right.
Let's start the car, make sure that you have gas and everything like that. You know, before you tighten everything up. You should, but you never know. Okay, start it up.
Oh my God.
There he is! Wait, what am I doing? You're
just, you know.
All right, guys. So, FP2000, he has a badass YouTube channel. You can probably see him a lot. He just installed the pedal commander, and we're gonna give this sucker a try. So, where's the pedal commander? Is right here. So make sure it's not on anything. It's on Sport Plus. So. Okay, it's completely off right now, so let's get used to.
Now, can I drive it on track mode like I usually?
Yeah, drive the way that you normally drive, and then we're gonna compare it to when you have.
So now I usually drive on track mode, right? So now I know how the car responds, and now I'm definitely gonna see
okay. So
the difference
just
is.
Pull out from. And then we'll turn it on and let you feel the difference.
Hopefully I'm not gonna touch it yet. Okay.
Hopefully what?
I was worried touching the front. Okay.
So it feels regular, right? I mean, it's not on, so.
Yep. I see it's a little too high. Alright.
Alright, why don't we turn around and then I'm going to put this sucker on Sport Plus. Okay, and basically how you do it is you just hit the star.
By pressing the star, it just changes.
Yep, and then it brings it to the setting that you want, and then the plus, you'll see down here, it'll be...
Let's start with the minimum, like, you know. Holy fuck. Holy shit.
Feels jumpy as shit, right?
Holy shit. Wow, even sorry. Jesus Christ. Oh my God.
It's gonna make donuts a lot easier, right?
Well, the problem is right now I have traction control off, so it's retarded. Like it responds so quick. Like
it's jumpy as hell, right?
Yeah, because now as soon as I touch the pedal, like it's my God, it's crazy. Even as you go on rolling, like a 40 roll, like I feel a big kick, and I'm in track mode. Usually track mode is the most the best mode I usually drive in. I love it. I feel I'm much more aggressive than sport, and the car always stays on the high RPM.
But you feel like the head like just
even
constant.
while driving now I'm going to try again as a 30-40 roll. I'm going to try to step on it a little bit and see. My God, I didn't expect that.
See?
But it's a faster response though, like much faster.
So we have it on Sport Plus, the most aggressive. Like
so right now you have the most aggressive?
The most aggressive that you could possibly do. The reason why I do that is so that you can't get used to the modes. Now you can dial it back for.
Does this make a big difference in mileage as far as gas? Like,
well, I mean, what you just did right there is not going to help.
Obviously, I wasn't ready for the car to respond like that. Like, so even now stepping on it, I feel the car is much more.
It's more responsive,
oh my
right?
God.
Yeah.
It's, even now, look, as soon as I touch it, it just kicks you back. I'm not even driving fast. And it changes the gear like quick.
Yeah, I mean it's really just one part of an aftermarket tune, and that is the throttle response. But that is what makes your
you know. See, look, I'm going 50 miles an hour, and as soon as I touch the gas. Oh my God.
It feels cool, right?
Yeah, it's like, it gives you that kick, like no matter what speed you're going, it's that kick. Wow. Now, I usually drive in manual. Let me see what's the difference. Oh boy, I'm gonna love this thing. Oh yeah, I feel much different. I don't know if this guy's a cop, but yeah, no, I feel the gas is like much responsive.
Well, you could put, if gas mileage is something that
you're. Cameras here, right?
No, I don't think. But don't worry about it. I think if you really want the gas mileage, you could put it in eco mode, and what that's going to do is
leave it in.
What it's going to do is the eco mode. It will make the throttle feel really lazy. It's gonna be
I also have eco mode right here, so if I got eco there and eco there, would have just shut down the fucking car and just
you would lose to a Prius.
Yeah.
But yeah, it'll make the car feel.
But as you see, like, does it kill? Like, does it drink a lot of gas or?
See, I don't really keep mine on all the time because I would just drive like what we just did.
So Monte Fame had this on his Porsche. Right?
Yep.
Ah, so, well, listen, let me tell you, this can make a difference in, if you're rolling on a 40 roll or something, it could make a difference.
Yeah.
Because the car responds a lot faster. I mean, my tires are just bold right now.
I mean, from a dead stop, you're just not going to get any traction with this thing.
But this could be good, like a 40 roll, 30, 40 roll, it'd be great.
Yeah.
Is that going to turn his light on?
I think it's just fun as hell. That's why I like.
But I didn't expect that. Like that, the response is great.
Right? You didn't expect the kickback.
Not even at 40, 50. Like even as soon as you touch the pedal, boom, it gives you that kick. That's perfect.
See, it's funny because there's so many people that hate on this product, and because it doesn't add any horsepower or torque. But
it doesn't add torque or what you call it, horsepower, but it gives you a lot faster response than the regular car.
But people don't understand it until they drive it. They have it,
God.
you know?
No, I'm telling you, listen, like I always drive in track mode, the most aggressive mode for the car, and holy shit.
You're gonna do a burnout, aren't you?
Yes. Shit. Sorry, I keep saying shit, but this thing
It's fun, right?
Holy moly. Well, see, it makes a difference. Right now, I just put it back in auto.
Okay.
Did you hear the gears?
Uh-huh.
They're like pissed off.
Damn.
If I drive on manual, it still does it, but because I'm changing the gears, it actually pulls more. Oh my god, this thing, I'm gonna have fun with this. Oh boy.
I
See,
knew
it
this
keeps the RPM very high.
Yeah, right over here. I knew you were gonna like this thing.
Holy crap. You should title this video, Holy Crap.
Holy crap.
That's all I keep saying. My god. Listen, how am I gonna drive with this? I can't drive with this thing on.
No, you want to find a setting that's a little bit like more drivable.
I'm not even touching the pedal. This thing is like kicking back like crazy. Like, where is it?
Make a left. It's crazy, right? Do you want to adjust the settings so that you can...
I want to try custom, like
Okay.
on my car, right? And leave it
okay.
on whatever's it called. Just want to spin over here, just here.
Wait, what are you doing?
I'm just gonna stay here. I want to drive a little around. Still,
Actually, I think we're up a little bit more anyway. So.
in custom mode right now, it still kicks back. Like, I don't think it matters with whatever. I think it bypasses all this.
So you think this is a good
I'm in
product?
custom mode now, and it felt the same way if it was in track. I mean, I'm gonna do it as I drive, and at 30 miles an hour, I'm gonna switch.
Oh, I got you. Okay.
And I'm gonna see. I'm gonna leave it in auto, see how it goes.
One of the biggest questions that I get is, if you have a tune, could you use the pedal commander? And the answer is 100% yes. Basically, the pedal commander, when you use it, is overriding any tune on the car, okay, for the throttle response. So with a tune,
So would that stop the tune or no?
No. With a tune, there's multiple parameters, okay, and one of the parameters is throttle response, and that's what the pedal commander is doing. It's just overriding the throttle response of the tune. So
thank you, Pedal Commander, for the sponsorship. I got this thing, and
how do you keep getting sponsorships? I try and just get a discount, and these guys won't even give me a damn discount.
Well, listen, it didn't take a week, but
I'm not talking about just like Pedal Commander. I'm talking about everyone. I mean, I've tried.
It's not easy. Like, even, sometimes I ask, and
do you go to their office and
No,
have to
no,
give
I-
them favors
see,
and stuff?
Even custom mode is freaking.
Hold on.
Now I'm gonna try switch to. I'm going 40 miles an hour. I'm gonna try truck mode. Yeah.
You feel the difference?
Yep. Yeah. Now it slows down a little bit. Yeah. It changes. Yeah, it slows down. It's like softer, like the kick. I don't understand. It's a little weird. Like, I can't. It's softer, but you still get the kick.
Uh-huh.
I put it down and lower into something else. Let's see how it goes. How you lower this thing?
Try
now,
regular sport.
City or sport?
Yeah. Don't use city.
And this plus or minus is for what?
So you're good. It's just sport. No.
And
your
plus or
phone
minus
stuff.
is. And plus or minus is for.
Yeah, just making it more aggressive within that state. So, but you could find a setting that is going to. Oh, you have a max 10-minute on this thing. So you could find a setting that.
See, now it's much softer. Like, I still feel
a little
responsive. Yes.
But now, if you like this setting, you could plus it.
Right.
4 times, whatever.
See, but now I'm driving custom, right?
Yep.
And I still feel like usually when you press the gas, it switches the gear lower and then it kicks in, right? With this, it feels like it doesn't even do that. It just goes straight for the kick. Like, it doesn't make you wait. You know when you have that second delay when you press on the gas and the gear kicks in?
Yep.
it doesn't let me do that.
No, you hear like the car like winding up a little bit, and then you go.
Right. And now it's just goes like it's.
Yeah, do a loop here.
No, I'm not doing it with the cops there. We're crazy.
No. I'm talking about just turning around.
They said one loop here. Like,
No.
the cops are right there.
Do a donut in front of the cop.
I'm getting lucky a lot lately, but I don't want to just push it. Let's try it with the track mode again, and that's on CD. You said, right?
Yep. No, the pedal commander's on sport, regular
Right.
sport. So let's try it more aggressive. Hang on. So this is sport times 4. It's not as jerky, right?
Yeah, it's a much softer hit. Yeah, this is in what? Sport?
This is in sport plus 4.
Okay, and then the most aggressive is what?
Sport plus.
Okay.
And then time, whatever.
It still feels good though on the pedal, like it responds.
Yeah, so now what we're gonna let's
much more quicker.
What we'll do is now let's shut the thing off entirely, and then you go back to regular driving. Let's see what you think.
So far, holy moly, this thing is great.
Yeah, let them go before you. Okay.
I mean, the car is still, but it's not as responsive.
It's not as
right.
Snappy.
See, even now, you see when I hit, it delays like that fraction of a second. It's nothing. It's nothing compared to that.
All right, get in that left lane.
See, now it just
Yeah, just like it does. Yeah. I think the pedal commander makes it alert all the time. Like it's just ready to for that acceleration.
Yeah, you can't do it just from the light. You can keep that thing on fully on, like I'll be going
All right, I'm gonna try it.
Go ahead.
You want?
Yeah. Let me park somewhere.
All right, guys.
Want to park on that side?
Next video is me driving this right now.
Distraction on.
All black, got 4 bras and they all that.